Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the essentials, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices, and sign into iCloud if needed. This ensures identity and encryption. Once done, open Control Center on your iPhone and tap Airdrop, then on the Mac open Finder and choose Airdrop. Make the Mac discoverable as contacts only or everyone depending on who's sending. Do this now so discovery and pairing happen immediately. That initial visibility is what lets devices on your iPhone pick the item you want to send and hit share. Don't hesitate, just tap Airdrop. You'll see nearby devices, choose your Mac by name or avatar. On the Mac, a notification appears, accept the incoming file or set Finder to auto accept from contacts. Make sure to watch the transfer indicator. Larger files take longer and show % complete. If it stalls, keep both screens awake and stay within range, because distance and sleep modes interrupt the connection. Once you accept the transfer, the file appears in Downloads or the Target app. Open it to confirm integrity and then organize it in Finder. After you finish, change Airdrop back to a restrictive setting for privacy. You don't want everyone left enabled unintentionally. If transfers fail, try the key troubleshooting step. Toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices, set Airdrop to everyone briefly, and restart either device. Often this clears discovery or pairing problems immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.